This is for weather and climate, and it's snowing in Myrtle Beach. Just a short film to see what snow looks like on the beach. And it's cold. Professor Holmes is freezing his hands off. And you can see, look at that, isn't that amazing? You won't see this for years to come. So welcome to Chapter 4, Introduction to Geography, my classes online and also face-to-face. This is for you. Look how calm the sea is because the wind is kicking. Oh man, is it cold. And the main weatherman of Myrtle Beach is in Boston looking for snow. Ironic, is it not? Okay, I'm cutting it right now because my hands are turned to icicles.